Hey guys, it's Geeti. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a few different hairstyles for summer, so yeah, stay tuned and keep watching. So I'm going to start off by parting my hair to the edge. Yes, I'm going to have some flyaways, but we will fix that in just a moment. And this is going to be a nice, sleek, low ponytail look. Perfect. I really like to bring some strands out just to frame my face, so definitely recommend doing that. I think it looks really good that way. But yeah. Again, I do want to remind you my looks are very basic and simple, so it's just things that I would do if I were to just hang out or go to work, mainly for work. So yeah, for my next look, I'm just gonna bring this front part back and pin it underneath my hair, just to keep my hair from coming to my face. Alright, so for work, I normally have to wear ponytails, so I just do a couple things when it comes to ponytails. So I'm going to part it to the side again, and then I'm going to part a strand about that big. Yeah. Loosen it up just a tad, and then I obviously, like before, I did say that I like to frame my face, so I'm just gonna bring a couple strands out like that. So this will be the last look for straight hair. As you know, I like to tie my hair up in a ponytail just because for work that's how it's supposed to be. So let's begin. So I'm gonna bring all the hair back and I'm gonna tie everything. Next, I'm going to be hairspraying my baby hair just so it can brush them back. Oh, and I'm just using a spoolie to do that. So I just got this from Shoppers, and yeah, this is specifically just for my hair. Hey guys, so I went ahead and curled my hair off camera. What I did was I grabbed a chunk of hair and went backwards from my face. left it on for like 5 to 10 seconds. And yeah. And then just run your hands through it to open it up a little bit. And obviously you want to run it, you want to curl it in the same direction just so it has the wavy look, otherwise it's going to be super curly. But yeah, this is one of my looks. So because it's already wavy, I'm gonna do a half up ponytail. Alright, so I'm gonna part from where my eyebrows are all the way back. And then I just loosened it up to add some more volume to it. And yeah, and because I like, again, framing my face, I'm gonna bring a couple strands down. And this gives it like a messy but cute look to it. Okay, so something else I like to do is, again, I'm going to pull 2 strands apart from the rest of my hair. So pretty much what I did was pull out 2 strands and then tie it midway, and it's just going to be a nice wavy, messy looking hair look. This next look, again, all my looks are simple, so do not expect anything cool from me. I'm just gonna take this front part of my hair, bobby pin it back. Normally I have white bobby pins, so I'd make an X shape with that and it looked really cool. So I'm just going to make an X shape with the black bobby pins since this is all I have. Oh, just kidding. I have grey ones, so hopefully this stands out, and I'll just quickly show you how normally it would look like.
So again, take the front part. Pin it back.
Okay, so now I'm doing the last and final look for curly hair. So I'm gonna pull everything to the back again, the way I did with the high ponytail. I don't want it to be perfect, so I'm not gonna use a hairbrush on the roots. I'm just gonna take my hair and I'm gonna wrap it around my fingers. Just gonna loosen it up a little bit, like so. And so, because I kind of like the messy look, I'm just gonna bring some hair down to frame my face. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see in the future. I definitely have a lot of things planned for the next month, so stay tuned, guys. And again, thank you so much. Bye.